Okay, I'm going to just take a look at how we might be able to do some work around transcripts around the VC score, which is your ranking, a ranking score based on their credits and so on. And now EdPotential does a VC score, their top 80 credits and so on. So it actually does do that. But let's just take a look at how we can get some information from the student. So if we go to reporting, and I'm going to pick somebody. Let's just pick Emily as a student that we're going to look at. Okay, and I want to figure out what her credits are, at what level she got them at for each subject in 2018. So that was her year 12 year. So I would go down, scroll down to her classes that she took in 2018. Don't go here, but go over here under class and click it. Now that will take you to the class of where she is, and then you will see her credit count. She did 22 credits in total, 18 at E and 4 at M. So that's for biology. And if we go back, we can do the same thing for chemistry. Again, you go over here, not there, but to the class. And for the class, Emily, she had 24 credits, 19 at E, 5 at M, and so on. So you can go through this whole thing. You can do it for economics, and you can get her list of courses, 4 and 14 for a total of 18. So you can go through that and do it that way. Then for the VC score for her best 80 credits, now there's a little bit of discrepancy and I've got to figure out why this is it, but if you went in to explore the data and you browse and you go at the top here, NCA new, as far as I can tell this is the best place to go, and NCA level 2, because that's what we've been working on, you get a VC score. Now this VC score is really of no use to you at this point because that's a cohort VC score average. But so if we go 2018, it will give me a whisker plot, which is really not what I'm interested in. But up here where it says export, now I can get individual student data in an Excel spreadsheet. And I can look at that. And it will give me VC scores for the students. So if I find Emily, she has a VC score of 320, which makes sense. Now, the total here is 105 and 84 excellences, so that's where she gets her 320, 21 merit. Now, when I go to count the credits from in here, from the reporting, what I was showing you earlier, I've lost 4 credits because actually if I count it from the reporting tab, she has 109 and 88. So I'm not sure why that discrepancy. I'll have to ask EdPotential, but basically that's how you would do it with each student. I'm going to have to figure out why we're missing 4 credits, but obviously there's some sort of assessment that hasn't gone in here for some strange reason. But anyway, that's where you get the VC score.